Hello, we will discuss about the fromEventPattren operator in rxjs. So this is used to create an observable from input function. So it gives an observable by using this event handlers. So here we can create a fromEventPattren directly with an example. I'm creating first of all we will create a one button here. So for example we will access the handles, right? So here we can take a button with an id, my button. This is the camera case, and in this I'm taking one function with the add handler. In this handler we can take a function with the handler. So in this I'm taking document.getElement by id. In this I'm providing my button. So here add event listener. I'm adding handler here. I'm adding handler here. Click and handler. So I will create one more constant btn click. This constant having um, from event pattern. From event pattern, we can provide one argument as add handler. So in this another one handler. So this will give document dot element by the my button. My button giving my button, and so in this I'm providing my button with add emo listener, add more listeners, add event, remove event listener. So in this method I'm providing click and handlers. Click and handlers. So here I need to subscribe this btn click with this subscribe method. Btn click with the subscribe method. Btn click subscribe. This can be um, from event pattern. We can handle with the event, right? So we can check this with the console.log console.log with the event client x event client x comma event dot client y. In this we can see this when we click on the it will be reflected this client methods. So you can see this client x and client y in the console. It will convert it to that upside. So this is a use case of the from event patterns. So we can create a observable by using the input functions with dealing with the event handlers.